Hello and welcome back to Dr. Square. After watching this video till end, you will have SPSS 29, the latest edition, successfully installed in your computers. Before advancing further, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's begin. So here is the downloaded file of SPSS 29. You can also have this setup file by clicking on the link that is popping up at the top right corner of your screen. Anyways, double click on the setup file and then after reading this, hit next. Accept the terms and conditions if you really want to proceed further. Hit next. If you want to change the default installation path, hit change, otherwise hit at next and hit at install. And the setup has started to install in your computers. Okay, the software has been successfully installed. I'm going to start IBM SPSS statistics right away. So if you want to activate the trial license, go with this login with IBM ID. Here you need to give the same email address that you used while signing up for trial license. And hit continue. Give the password that you set. And again, you need to enter a code that will be sent to your email. So here is the code. Copy that code, paste or manually write here. Verify. Okay, allow. And here you go. The software has been successfully installed and activated in your computers. New data set. You can enter your data and then perform any analysis that you want. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, hit like. Or if you face any problem, don't hesitate to leave a comment.